Create these fun snack bags for your wedding guests. You can purchase the white resealable bags on Amazon. See the link in the description. Easily edit the sticker label templates in Zazzle. See the link in the description to get started. Click the blue Customize with Design Editor button if you would like to change anything in the design. Choose your quantity and complete your purchase. Once you receive your labels from Zazzle, it's time to DIY your snack bags. After you fill your bags with your favorite treat, place the label on the center of your bags. These snack bags are the perfect way to welcome your guests to your wedding weekend.